I love these strip drains. I like to use silicone and gluing these down to the aluminium DIYs. I have used glue in the past, but I reckon silicone's just a little bit better. I've got to find another sausage. I'll be back. I'll be back. A little bit ill prepared for that. Running out of silicone. I'm about to. I'm not going to have enough. So, ooh. I'll just throw in another tube. At the final stages, I've just got to grout this fluor. I'll silicone tomorrow when everything's dry. It's better instead of trying to do it. A lot of times I silicone the same day, but I've allowed to silicone tomorrow, so I'll do it tomorrow. Makes life a lot simpler. Well, right, well, I'll take that home. That's beautiful. What? John thinks I'm talking to him. I like it, people. Right, I've got to clean this floor and I can grout her up. That is why I love the strip drain. They say they're a little bit sort of harder to clean, but nah, rubbish. I don't believe that. Easier to clean, easier to get out. Oh, the tile insert waste, that's easy to clean too. You can lift it out, clean it, put it back. 5-minute job. See you soon. Yo! Stay tuned, everyone. I'm coming out more and more regularly. Belt yourselves in, because it's only the beginning.